Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Website. So today we're answering a Facebook question. The question is, how many email addresses can we create under this account? And it's a two-part question. It also says, if I send a message to a recipient using a personal email address, e.g. your Gmail, through forwarding, which I've not yet gotten to work, can they reply without exposing their personal Gmail address? Not unless they're masking their email address. As far as I'm aware, that's not possible. But going to the first part of the question, how many email addresses can we create under this account? I believe that you can create as many as you want. I don't think there is a limit. I think it's more to do with the storage. If you go to email accounts, let's just show you where you can set up your email addresses for your website. There's a couple of ways to get to this section, but to get to the cPanel, that was just one way. But you can see here on this demo site, we don't currently have an email. We just have a system email that's been generated there, but we don't currently have a custom email address. But if we can click on create, and then we can create, whatever username that we want to form part of our website address to create an email address. So it's my understanding that you can create as many as you want, and that it's more to do with the amount of storage. And you can, when you create, we'll just create one. So I'm just going to put in a password and get past this stage here. So we've created our email address here, but when you go back here then, so this is the email address we've created, you can go to the manage section. And when you go to manage, you can manage your storage just here. It does say that you have unlimited storage. I think that will be capped to a degree, as most email addresses are. But you can allocate a set amount of storage to each email address as well to help you sort of control that and stuff. And you can add other stuff to your email address as well to each email account. But as I say, it's my understanding that you can add as many custom email addresses as you want. So I hope you found that useful, and thank you very much for watching.